boss.
Kenny and I right there for you guys. Interesting song.
Safe room, baby. Thank you.
All right, so let's see.
You got
Mike,
it
you
all.
out there?
Did you really get him to do this? Amen to that. You let him take Cracker Jack out of my home.
It was my idea.
Really?
It was totally my idea.
It's okay, as long as he's. You okay? I'm okay, dog. You sure? You sure you're okay, bro? I'm all good.
He's fine.
All right, so now that Cracker Jack is out in public, I'm gonna get beat up by somebody at the end of the night. Coco.
Hey, just out.
Coco.
Hey.
No, let everybody know how unracist I am for the rest of the night, please.
Very unracist.
I am the most unracist person you'll ever meet.
Most unracist ever.
Do you want to put that in my car?
Yes, please put Cracker Jack.